Hey Debbie, how's it going? This is Lucas. Thank you very much for clicking the video. This is what I was telling you about. The little video that I put together for you of three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar Kitchen and Bath online. These guys, as you see when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, are the ones that pop up at the very first top over here and over here. So they are getting all the business. And you could be there really easily by just taking these three tips that I'm going to tell you and implementing on your website. You may wonder why I even made this video for you, and this is really easy. It's because I know that business owners are really busy taking care of their business, so they don't really have time to learn how to use the internet to how to bring them more business, like. And also when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's really hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to make these videos and for business owners so they can have all this information. I send it to them for free. And a lot of them they just take this information and make it themselves. But a lot of them contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do it because it's my passion and it's what I like to do. But if you like what you see and you feel like you need my help or you want my help, just give me a call and I'll help you through the process. Or I'll just do it myself, you know? But yeah, sorry. Jumping on the video, I'm gonna tell you about the three things that Google uses to rank a website to the very top. These are backlinks, content, and citations. Content, as you can imagine, is everything that is on your front page right here, alright? So Google loves to see a lot of content and also with a lot of keywords. So I see that you already have a pretty good amount. And content is all the text, all the pictures, and also what is behind those pictures and how the pictures are saved as. You see that you have almost 1,000 words of content here. Usually, Google likes to see about 2,000, all right, on the pages that rank at the very top. So as you see here, Large Remodel have a lot of content as well. It's one of your competitors. These guys have about 1,500 words of keyword-rich content. Miramar Kitchen and Bath also a lot of content, a lot of pictures, all right? So all you need to do is put 2,000 words of keyword-rich content over here, and you'll be beating them on that aspect with no problem. Keywords are basically the terms that people are looking up regarding your services. So you just make a research of which one they're looking up the most, and then you drop them on that content several times. So when people look it up, Google search engine can find your website and show it to them. Second thing is backlinks. Sorry. A backlink is basically another website putting a link to your website that when you click it, drives the traffic back over here. All right. And that works kind of like a popularity contest. Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. And that means that you can get a content from any website. But Google loves to see websites within the same niche. So it's not the same. You get a backlink from a website that talks about fashion or food. But if you get a backlink from another company that is a remodeling company or a construction company, those are the ones that you want to go after since they give you way more power and trust on the Google size. Those are the ones that are going to make you go over here in no time. All right. To check backlinks, we use Ahrefs. That when I put your website, it tells me that you have 31 referring domains. This means that it's 31 websites out there with a link somewhere that when you click it, it takes you back over here. If you see your competition, you see that Lars Remodel has 74 and Miramar Kitchen about 38. So they don't even have that many, but they're really powerful. That's why they rank so high. So all you need to do is come in here and copy them. If these links are good to rank them, they're good to rank you as well. So you just go through every single one of these websites and through every single one of these ones. You make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. That way, you'll be getting all the same links as they have, and then you add some more on top. That way, you don't just match them, you beat them. And that way, with that and the content, you'll secure this score right here with no problem. Last thing I want to talk about is citations. Citations are basically what it gets you here. Citation is your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. The directories like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, White Pages, etc. Okay, it's thousands out there. And all you need to do, the same with the backlinks. Check how many citations the top competitor has. You copy those because if they're good for them, they're good for you. And then here in particular, you want to add at least another 100, okay? So let's say they have 150 or 100. Yeah, I will probably go for around 300 to make sure. That way, when they realize that you stole the first spot, and they start building more citations, you do the same thing, and you make almost impossible for them to ever catch up. All right. The good thing of this also is that you can do this completely for free. That said, let's make a little recap. Make about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying the backlinks of your competition in the website about kitchen remodeling. And then build more citations than your competitors so you can be ranking here at the very top, at least 100 more. All right. So if you're interested in this and getting all that extra business, I would recommend you to get started as soon as possible, since implementing all this stuff takes some time, and the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. So if you like the video and what I just told you, and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to do so. But if you want to take all this information and do it yourself, please, again, feel free to get this free education and put it in action yourself. If you have any questions throughout the process, again, feel free to give me a call or send me an email and we can talk. Thank you very much for watching. And if you can give me a little feedback on the video, I'll really appreciate it. I do these things for free, and those feedback really make my day. Thank you and have a good one.